Yeah, this Ollie Styles is presenting a little sharpness here on YouTube. A little Philly, Philly. A little bit of style pizzazz, a little bit articulate with the haircuts, See if the people like it or not. I'm trying to do many things with this right here. Of course, I got the show July 6th at the Convention Center. Hopefully I bring it home. Just a little sample of what I do. I will show you, from start to finish, but then you have to pay me. And I'm pretty sure, one day you probably want to pay me, but right now, I can't show you from start to finish. That'll be out my contract. Again, it's Ollie Styles. Give you just one of my many styles. Peace. Oh yeah, this my boy. Johnny!